Ahmed Abdul Latif coming to you from speaklikeanegyptian.com. Welcome to this new Egyptian Arabic video. Today it's not a lesson, today I'm just sharing with you the experience that Helena had in my house. Helena, she is one of my American students who came to my house, and it was my pleasure meeting her in my house with 3 of her family members. It was real fun. We found a lot of things, and through the experience we had in my house here, especially the part which is related of cooking with my wife, the Egyptian traditional food, and their comments about the food and everything about the day. Come on, let's go watch.
Stuffed grape leaf.
What is it called?
Mahshe. Mahshe with grape leaf. I don't know what mahshe is. I don't know how to say grape leaf in Arabic.
ورق عنب.
ورق عنب. ورق عنب.
So محشي ورق عنب.
Mahshe, ورق عنب. I'm doing the Egyptian way. I'm doing the Egyptian way. Okay. So roll one and then fold it in, and then
Wow, it's good.
there we go.
Yeah, very good, very good.
Swaddle the child.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay.
You do one? Yeah, you do one.
Okay. So.
Ooh, that looks start learning, Claudia. Yeah, he's a machine.
No, I don't like much.
So it's making it for me. It's okay, you can make it for us. You can make it for us. We did gosa and like the one that you
Drilling.
drill it.
Yeah.
And there's a bunch of different things in every pot. There's something different.
Can you show us?
Something like
In the
cheese.
can I show?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Look. Just don't want to follow them.
Good done.
Here's the holder. Yes, the green one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, ده رز.
Rose
بشعرية والشعرية.
بشعرية.
محشي كوسة.
محشي كوسة. Yeah, the drilling part.
Wow, you
Yeah,
guys
yeah.
got a lot.
Oh my god.
محشي كوسة تاني.
محشي لا محشي papers
محشي papers.
وايجبلانتس. بتنجان.
Oh,
Yeah.
بتنجان. Hey.
Mahshe cabbage.
He is the cabbage.
لا كروم. محشي كروم.
Mahshe chrome.
Yes.
مكرون بقى.
And then
You can look and look. You can take a look at the oven.
What is in the oven?
Your phone.
oh, I can't see.
Wow. Oh my.
Look at that.
There's potato things.
محشي بطاطس
Mahshe potatoes.
and okra with meat. Lamb meat. The one to the left.
لا لا احنا كنا نجيب العيلة. احنا كنا نجيب.
Yeah, I was saying it was like we're feeding an army.
How's it going?
We're not an army. It's like there's a pot for everybody. Yeah. Oh my. There's a lot. Was it كتير؟
أكل كتير.
أكل كتير.
أكل كتير.
Yeah. So what we don't eat, he has to
طبعا.
finish. You'd say.
This is not a class. This is a food. This is to talk about Egyptian food. So let's start first with this. We call it mahshi ورق عنب. It's grapes papers with papers, yeah, with rice. And this is molokhia. Some people they call it green soup. Okay. This is also mahshi batatas. It's like potato that's drilled. Then we have some rice inside it. Frech. Okay. محشي كوسة zucchini. رقاق. It's kind of bread with meat. Rice. Yeah, rice. رز. محشي بتنجان, which is eggplants, also with rice. محشي cabbage stab, which is also with rice.
And what is a cabbage in
Krom.
Arabic?
Yeah, I forgot that. Okay. Sambusa. Sambusak or sambusa. Okay. Molokhia. We said it before. Yeah. This is moonball, which is also like something that have also rice, the same concept.
It's a sausage.
Yeah, sausage. It's kind of sausage. Yeah. This is رز معمر. This is the only thing that have milk.
Ah, yeah.
Because I know. Okay. Okay. This part. Okay. So this is رز معمر. فتة. And yeah, this is like bread with the rice, with meat, with red sauce. And finally, this is bamia باللحمة الضاني, which is oca with ball meat. Okay. Yeah. That's for my students who are welcome to my home here in Cairo, in Egypt. So now we're gonna start eating, and thank you.
Hey, how's everybody?
Yes.
Hey guys.
Including the. Yes. All right.
All right, Annabelle, you go first.